I guess we should start as Zeds are probably playing right now or something. um, Wait, it says I recently played it, which means... well, I don't know. Should it be over already? Anyway. Um, yeah, let's go here. So what do we have here? Like I'm falling asleep or what? Anyway. So what have we done last time? If else. Oh right, I wanted to get if else working. Let's see. Target feature x87. What is x87? SST2, big N. What even is the target? No way, this is just it. Alright, let's speed get a load. Anyway, in the meantime we can just look at basic blocks. Oh, switches. Unwind, continue. Success unwind. Well, we have blocks, right? I guess let's just label blocks and go ahead with that. RC CodeGen 94. Actually, output file names. Actually, I want to see what this is. Create stem, file stem, single output file, temps directory, outputs. Huh? No, I wanna see other methods on this. Name init target config. Also, backend need to acknowledge when they do not support the float types rather than accidentally quietly skipping all tests. Oh right, I see why. Supported create types, well, yeah, right. We support all that, right? Print pass, print version into the loader, provide, CodeGen create, join CodeGen. What's provide? Provide what? A link? Oh. That link stuff. Then we have extra backend methods, which I think are the API. So there's CodeGen backend, this requires CodeGen backend, and also write methods. And then some sensing stuff. What are write methods? Fat LTO, thin LTO, timing stats, optimize, thin optimize, Cogen. First seems realized. So yeah, I think this is I'm pretty sure this is special. I mean, like an alternate implementation. Here we can do the coding backend is what we just read. Coding allocator. What? Module name. Oh, so this generates an allocator module. Oh, what? Name special inputs output. What? Alloc 0 dialog realloc. Compile Cogen unit. Target machine factory. Spawn name thread. Ah. Sports parallel. Well, my backend supports parallel, but we never really show that. Backend types. Value metadata stuff. What's Cogen object? Wait, oh my god, I forgot that this is a thing. You can assign traits, right? Like, it's been like so much since I last saw this. Hi, Nigel. It's been 10 minutes, where have you been? Next time I'm just gonna claim first and after 5 minutes of the start of the stream so nobody else can get it. Anyway, okay, it's fine. That's a fine excuse. You can't flee, it's not your plushie, you need to catch it first. The plushies summoned with first, second, third are more powerful, yet they are not yours. So that you can catch it. Which, you know, makes sense. Oh, you want Tylis? Oh. Oh wow, that's much stronger than I expected actually. No, it disappeared. Fine. Flashy die. Actually, should have we added TY as the alias? Just 2 letters TY. Cause that would make sense, you know. Let's go, you've got your language in your team. That's actually a great logo, by the way. Also, I should just put infinite there. 10 plushes, oh my god. Oh, you got one more into your plushie decks, oh, wow. You have Rust, Micro, Lisp, Caramel, Lua, level 40, oh my god. Rocket, Nyx. You have Nyx. Oh, Camel. You're still first! I could not get anyone to do anything to get you off this leaderboard. I know I need to call people to just do that. So yeah, you have Nyx, Ocamel, Helix, and now Tylis, which is level 2, which, yeah, not first. Second level. But like that's minor. Also, I should probably turn off the heater because it's too hot now. Well then. No, you're not gonna... No. What am I gonna be if I'm not gonna be fighting back? Yeah, you can't even punch me. Hey! Fleeing from the fight. I need to introduce a rule. Fleeing from the fight. Because you can't catch me! It's my plushie. It's a plushie from my team. You can't catch a plushie that's in somebody's team. Level 25, I need to level up to 40. Actually, what stats do you have? Let me see your attack defense. Because I don't know how linear it is. I think like I thought about rebalancing again after the last time I did it. Although it's pretty good. Now, maybe, probably. So you should be like... so level 40, what should level 40 be? Probably about 100 attack, 100 defense. Maybe a little less. Wait, it just became silent. Hi, Davninia. Hi, Covino. Redeem third. Leading third. You've got now 2 more plushes, you can just catch them. You know? You redeem second at the same time. Well, blame Bad Cop for that. He might as well punch Ghosty a few times to get it. Wow, it's so durable. Hey, Gadget. Dude. Why am I so unlucky? Why am I so unlucky? Okay, I am adding TY as an alias for it. At some point. One tiny bit. Oh my god. Okay, fine, I'm editing the config files. I'm not gonna level up. Like, alright, that's not gonna work. Wait, team, he's in active YouTube chat. Okay, sorry. Here you are. So to level up, I need like 50 XP. Oh, wow, that's not much actually. Okay, so Nigel doesn't want me to see his level. I'm gonna have to edit config files. Wait, it's in private. No, it's channel private store. Wait. Oh, it's not there anymore, is it? It's just in channel. Oh, it is in storage reason. No, you're upside down. Just flip yourself upside down. Team Low. Oh, you have 107.94. That is exactly what I expected, you know. Yeah, I don't need to wait. Infinite 2, hold on, what? Chatri has Infinite 2. Okay, anyway. Let's... You haven't seen that, right? It's not a 0. Here we go. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Still behind inactive beauty chat. Okay, Nigel just got you there. It's not miss. Oh, what did I just do? Huh? How does... Okay, that is interesting. The fact that I could do that. Now you're in front of an active YouTube chat. Why can I... I wish chat didn't have focus. Mod D, huh? No, Mod D doesn't work because it switches to YouTube chat. And not chat, which is annoying. Which is insanely annoying. I wish I could switch to... I'm gonna sleep. Sweet dreams. Like, what should I... What are we saying when people go to sleep? Yeah, I guess let's we'll switch. By the way, Kovina, if you're still here, maybe you should get on the leaderboard. Get Nigel off at first place, maybe? You know? 'Cause he's bored there. Awake since 1 AM, 14 hours now. Ow. Yeah, go to sleep. Good. You typed that so fast. Anyway. So what are we doing today? I guess I am making the CodeGen part, CodeGen side, even more messy and horrible and horrifying. By adding labels and jumps. Unconditional for now. Conditional stuff later. So, blocks, right? Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that. So I can have blocks. What are watchdogs? And yeah, I don't remember what triple P stands for again. Also, this is line not... Lines not don't separate properly. Anyway, so if we have blocks, for example... With function... block 1, and then we'll have this indented properly, and then we'll have code here. And then we'll have, so we can either jump to that block, or no, it would also be nice to be able to break from that block. So jump to that block for a loop, break out of that block for an if... Oh, right. Wait, dark. How many points do you have again? You can just spam redeems as much as you want. Thanks. I remember you, Davninieri, said that Nigel also have a poor potato. 63k. Wow, you're almost at 2 to the 6 power, 2 to the 6 times 10 to the 3rd. You said that Nigel also has a poor PC. So the fact that not all of us stream. Hi Penguin Operator. Maybe you consider getting on the leaderboard and beating Nigel. You only have your work laptop, which is actually not potato. Is it not as potato as mine? So what was I saying? So we can get the blocks. Come on. I really wish I had an ability to break out of the blocks. Because just jumping to them is not enough. I mean, I guess I could just do labels. Label jump. Or I could do a loop that loops until you break. Or I mean, I should just do a while loop, you know. 193 mix packages, how many do I have? I have no idea how to check even. Oh, this should probably report, right? 2117. Running NeoFetch after so long. 16 gigs of RAM. Yeah, that's much better than mine already. 3.6 gigahertz. I have where is it? Ryzen 5, which is at 2.10. Wow, that's actually low. Damn. I thought it was a bit higher, to be honest. You have like 150% faster CPU. Wow. 30 gigs Ryzen 5 at 4.6. Okay, hold on. 4.6 gigahertz. Actually, that's a lot. Yeah. You want an Nvidia GPU? Rockham. Does it actually? Well, I mean, I have never used it, and I see it rarely. It's actually 2.10, but 2.1. AI is so much better. I guess, like from Olama has. Oh, I did. Oh, sorry. I mean, you know what I mean, right? You're not gonna. Anyway, so Olama has Rocam support. I don't know how good it is. I know CUDA did speed up. Well, I used PyTorch for training models lately. For just some stuff like road sign recognition. And I noticed that my Nvidia GPU, which is horrible, is still it's still sped it up a lot. Anyway. I need to... So why is half of the Infinity missing? My GPU will be way faster than your CPU. Well, it's not particularly great, but I guess. At the same time, you have 4.6 gigahertz CPU. That's insane. 4.651 even. Something doesn't have a dedicated GPU, so the Nini is right. Potato for gaming. Funny how Infinite just spawned where it was. Which Control D switched to the right window, not the wrong one. Single integrated Intel GPU. Wait, can I actually... Oh! I can switch. I can just use super and arrows to switch windows. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't done actually anything. 6.9. So okay, 30 minutes of yapping. Let's go actually do something. Let's not worry about loops. So if I have, do I return something that implements CodeGen? A good thing when Python. So what if I return CodeGen on ifs? Yeah, what do I have here? Well, we just have blocks and jumps between them. Okay, sure, I'm not gonna. Come on, internet knows about it. Okay, so I started from 0, it goes to... Hold on, what? We go from 0 to 4 immediately. Actually, no, we check and go to 1 in one of the cases. Internet is what it is. Okay, so by default, it's 5. Oh, and we get to 0, and if we... oh wait, no, we check 3. Hold on, this is comparison. Hey. So this is comparison. Comparison of this to this, in fact. Okay, so this first arm is true. If else. Oh, there's an OR. Oh no. Well, I don't have to worry about it, right? Yeah, this goes to BB4 and this goes to BB4. And this goes to BB2, which multiplies something and continues to BB3, which skips to BB7 then. So then we go BB4, attempt to divide something by 0. Well, 4 just goes to 5. Yep. That goes to 6, and 6 goes to 7. But also went to 7. The comparison. The start went to 1, that went to 2, and 2 went to 3, and 3 went to 7. Okay, so yeah. I'm not gonna be trying to reinvent the control flow graph, I'm just gonna implement gotos. Sorry. Use with care. Optional stir. Context allocator thing. That does sound interesting. So label. Though I kinda do hate the fact that I'm gonna be returning labels like variable IDs. Operand, place variable. Label. Label ID. Also, I misspelled option as well. Option. This is version number. Dev205. Remember that Minecraft switched to different version numbering scheme? 26.1 is gonna be the next game drop. Which, not that I really hate this numbering scheme, but that the fact that we're not getting any more big updates is sad, in my opinion. I miss that. I was little when there were big updates. And Minecraft Live and like Movote and stuff, which then got ruined and removed. Well, I mean, to be fair, that was community. So anyway, 1.2 is not just version numbering. It indicates a stable release, although at the same time, and Semver actually accounts for that, because 0 point asterisk, any version that starts with a 0, actually is a breaking change. And then 1 point something does not have breaking changes. So yeah, 1.2 is like the fact that it's stable. Most people do Semver completely wrong. That's correct. That is absolutely true. People do Semver wrong. Jump to label. No, that wasn't obvious. I'm gonna add the dog comment, right? Selfish conventional commits. Do conventional commits actually like have some word in them somehow? Well, probably is, huh? Okay, so let's go to cgen. Unimplemented label arbitrary control flow is not supported by this backend. Okay, so label. Okay, so let's go to cgen. You don't have to ban every single person that comes there. Like, ideally you wouldn't ban anyone unless they are actually what is the word? A harasser? Well, not only. that. But yeah, you're not just gonna ban anyone who just joins the chat. Or else you might as well ban yourself at this point. By the way, can mods actually get rid of their mod status? You can't unmod other people. You can probably not unmod yourself, but can... and you can't ban other moderators. That's for sure. Anyway. So where is oh, that's Liberas. Cgen. Let's go here. Call on label. Label. Label spec of option of string. Also might as well acting is different from making programming link. Yeah, maybe I should make it own string. Should I? I feel like I should. I feel like I should make this own string as well. Because I have everything as owned here. Okay, option of string for name. Own string. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Now I'm gonna do. Or should I just keep regular strings here as names? The same as for variable info. Maybe. Okay, so where we declare variable. Yeah, it's too low. You get used to camera. That is true. I could not just stream like that before. How Zig WRT pattern? What's WRT? There's less luck involved in making a successful programming language. Not really that there is less luck involved in making a successful programming language. Perhaps there is more luck involved. So Zig with respect to pattern matching, I don't actually know. I don't actually know about Zig's pattern matching. Is there anything to pattern match in Zig? I don't think there is anything to pattern match in Zig, like, against. Because Zig doesn't have patterns. Zig has tagged unions. Well, actually, no, it doesn't. It has unions and tags separately. I don't think it does. Well, better than switch case, it has if and else. But this switch is not that bad. It can match stuff. So switch statement can match numbers, number ranges. Yeah. It has a catch-all. It can be used as an expression. Cases cannot fall. This is actually kinda useful, you know, in C++ and C. It is weird, but it is kinda useful. Very remotely useful. Anyway, so what do we have here? Comment. Also fine. Actually, maybe, you know, maybe I should keep this as a string slice. Here. Okay, so declare var. Format. Var, underscore. Var 0. Oh my god, enchantment space. How many struggling actors there are? So how many struggling devs there are? There are many struggling devs. Yeah, you can't just compare. You can't just compare like that. I don't think. Anyway. So we declare a variable. Label's gonna do. Name unwrap or else underscore label hero. Per capita. Great question, you know. So here we have a name, here we have a name. I do this, I do know how to write too, but I do write losing with double O all the time. I have never written losing with single O a single time in my life, I think. Because it sounds like losing. The double O sounds like ooh. It's pronounced like ooh. Not the other way around. Most of the time. Yeah, that is weird. In my opinion, at least. Variables, oops, label, back, new. Wait, that makes sense. This doesn't make sense. Yeah, but why is it pronounced loose? And lost is pronounced lost. Opposite of tight. Yeah, but like... Why is it not pronounced loss then? So those would be just two different words. I mean, every language has exceptions except Esperanto. Highway digging. Rising a home, isn't that what I did? Yeah, it just didn't. Didn't reload until I saved, no. So I have variable names now. Here labels. Just gonna drop that label here. Then we're gonna have jump. It's just go to. Actually, that's self-line indent. Yeah, I don't want that. Push stir, push new line. Oops. That's not what I need. Am I making front end? No, I'm making a back end. Alright, you're getting to sleep. See you, Devninium. What time do I have? What do you mean? Or are you referring to Devninio? Devninio has just been up since 1 AM and I'm assuming it's 15 hours. Because he said it's 14 being up for 14 hours. So 15 or 3 PM, assuming something like that. Except that this was half an hour ago, so it's like 50% wrong. At least. Devnincia. TL. Okay, so label. Oh, I'm pasting this again. Should do that. Or actually, I should do that. So self-code push stir name. New line. Go to label name, semicolon, and then we'll do self labels label dot. Wait, just that. Hyperland better than Sway in something? Animations? And that's it. I'm using Sway by the way. But I used to use Hyperland and I really liked it. Anyway, so this should compile at least. Name label. This streak. Wait, those are not gonna... Yeah, I need to move them here. Actually, like that. Because I can't prefix them with underscores really, because those are trait functions which names are important. Or names are important. Cgen, cogent address. Line 35. Var name, alright, this doesn't have to exist now. Var name. Oh, that's a lot. Name. Why does self var? Oh. Whatever. Works, assume. Can we disable tiling this way? I think you can actually. But I would not do that. So in order to disable tiling this way, so you have, well, you should probably Google way. Oh no, tiling. But there is so there is layout, default layout, and you can probably set it to sway. Wiki. Pages. Layout. Not keyboard layout. Use Greek. Keyboard layout, I guess not it. Okay, I don't remember. I mean, I guess I can look up my sway config. And it has workspace layout, so you can probably set this to floating or something like that, or float or whatever. Well, I'm not sure. Or you might be able to actually force it to by default use float. Float the window. So yeah, I know. Var name. Reference that. But I just do name equals this, and then do that. Wait, I need to push it. Actually, I can do sweep. I can do that. And I can do else here. And instead of the var name, I can just use name. So here I can reference name, and here I can just reference name. Yeah, I know I could have just not deleted the name part, but like, whatever. Empty type, semicolon. Okay. Now. It's not anywhere else. Okay, so line 35. It's not gonna be very bad. Oh, yeah, I guess we can. Oh, clone that. Clone that. Oh, it's about to start. Index out of bounds. Oh, well, that's interesting. Line 13. Some variables var 0. How can you have index out of bounds? Oh, I think I know how. I can just do that, right? Right. The crashes. Well, obviously it would crash because thing is not implemented yet, but that is different again. Line 30. Same thing, wait. But for a different variable this time. Oh, because this type is also. So this should have panicked with the right one. Yeah. Or Rusty, Cogent, Model S, line 84. Um, 84. Okay, Terminator kind. Go to target block. So for each block we're gonna do a label. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that. So this is code generate, it has some state. Let's do labels. Actually, so Rust's code gen. What's the basic block? Well, there is an index. Actually, I can't go to labels that are not yet declared. Oh, wow. Oh, that's gonna be problematic. Okay, maybe no formatting for labels. Actually, I kind of want to declare variable indices this way as well, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna keep that. Not all cogents implement arbit roll warning. Creates a label or puts a set label current position note labels can be used before placing front end and decide on IDs. See self label. Huh? Not self body code. Okay. Now. So we have that. I'm gonna have to go to code and fix that here then. So here, since we're dealing with strings, I don't even have to put anything here. I'm just gonna do push stir format, new line at the end. Underscore number colon space. No, actually no space. It needs that, yeah. Now jump, it's just gonna go to same formatting. Well, not same, similar. Actually, it should be like that. Yeah, now let's go to front end side, and at the start of each basic block, we're just gonna do a self origin label. Block ID index or something. No way, we don't have index here. Yeah, we don't. Index, and then we can do that block. Self tcx block. Wait, body block. So let's just do block. Body of block. It's gonna be self codegen go to or jump. So jump to the basic block. Target index. Oh, and yeah, labels doesn't exist anymore because we don't store label data. Self body block. All right. Let's put in a borrow here. Let's see now. It's gonna give us with panicked. I didn't do that before. Not to implement line 35. Alright, erase. Wait. Different kind of primitives. Yeah, let's comment this out. So this is gonna do basic blocks. I don't see a single go to though. Is it just gonna pass through? So go to return drop. Target unwind. Target. Unwind action. Coroutine drop. Async future local. Yeah, we're not gonna worry about that for now. Well, actually, still to do, but like, okay, so Rust CodeGen is proof of concept. It's not clean. Rust front is a proof of concept, not clean in any way. Huh. That's interesting. We also have a third here. No, wait, those are just certs. No, those are just drops. Oh, those are calls. Hold on. Which function call is target unwind and stuff. Let's put target here. So I'm just gonna add a jump here. We target on the basic block. Hi Mizi. Oh, that's optional. Oh, what happens if an option is not option? Not an option. If none of the call necessarily diverges. How am I doing? Fine. If let's target. Target. Okay, so Rust frontend, I'm gonna have to rethink how to do that. Maybe if I see WASM backend or something, then I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, go to 11. Yeah, it just passes through, I guess. I can get rid of most go-tos here, actually. But like, that's the point. Flushing Rust. We're gonna punch me. I'm gonna punch in reverse then. Go ahead and punch Devninia. He's sitting in the corner. I'm gonna destroy you in one hit. Yeah. You should get to the leaderboard. Nigel's sitting there. It's not hacks. Have you seen Nigel's plushie? He can obliterate anything it touches. Even me. Okay, maybe I do take like 2 or 3 hits, but like... So my plushie is level 25, his plushie is level 40. 40! Actually, I should look at the XP required. It should be about 5 to 1000. Oh, I don't see it anymore. I do have a chat log though. That doesn't have it. Probably. Actually, maybe it does. It does. Team Lua. 500 XP. 500 XP is not that much. Yeah, just catch a plushie. Come on. Do you have anyone on your team? Oh, so that stayed. Okay, I'm gonna let you finish up. That actually survived my punch. Oh, you're gonna punch Devni. Devni is also pretty strong, so you have low chances against him. Add commit basic. Control flow. You should catch plushies. Like, try catching a camel. Just do bank catch a camel a few times. Here it disappeared. Too late. Nigel's just sitting there. I'll see you there. Then Nigel's just sitting there with 16 plushes. Nobody can defeat him. We need competitors. We need competition. Lula is level 40. I'm not even that strong. Okay, I'm not gonna punch Devninia, because that would be a nice... I'm gonna punch... punch... PS2... or PlayStation. Here we go. That is not enough XP. I actually need somebody to compete with. Oh, Discord state. Oh my god, I'm so bad at it. How much more do I need? I need like 23 more XP. Oh, that's gonna be 4 plushes. Oh, Drunker, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, that's so bad. Oh, I don't remember this. 0, right? Okay, I need one more to level up. I'm gonna be level 26 then. Wait. Wait. Oh, I wasn't going to do that. I was gonna do team unit. Yeah. Actually, I need 9 more. Maybe more. Yeah, Midi, you don't have any plushes. You should catch 1 or 2. You should just catch 1 or 2. Oh, Kahoot. Yeah, that's gonna... Kahoot. Why? Because you haven't caught a single plushie. Let me show you how it's done. So here's Orange Pie, for example. You can type catch Orange Pie. As long as it's there, as long as it's on screen, you can do that. And it's gonna say you couldn't catch it because it's strong. You need to punch it. No, I do actually hope it's gonna survive that. Well, it probably won't. Actually, okay, Infinite's trying to kill it, but it did. So now if you type catch it, there's much higher chance that you can catch it. Here, I caught it. It's in my team now. And I can also gift you... Pie. I can also gift it to you. And now you have it in your team. Yeah. So that's how it works. Now you have a plushie, which if you do plushie Orange Pie now, or you can name it with buying name. Name it something else. Then it's not gonna disappear. Because plushes you summon are wild. If you summon them with just buying plushie. without catching them. And wild plushes disappear. Non-wild plushes don't disappear and they also level up. Yeah, it works like Pokemon! I played Pokemon Emerald and I just decided to implement that. Maybe that's the first thing I should say to everyone who asks me how plushes work. And yeah, you also have one plushie in your plushie dex, which... Plushie dex... I had 13, but like, doesn't matter. Holy sea. In order to summon Team Plushie, you need to use Plushie and then name, because just bank Plushie is gonna summon a random one. That's just how it works, don't ask me. It's difficult, I know. It's not intuitive. Anyway, so we need switch int. Oh, and one more thing, you can have one plushie on the screen at a time that's summoned by you, so you need to flee first to get rid of Holy Sea with a flee command. You're gonna punch me? I was about to say punch me. Oh wait, I punched me. That doesn't work, hold on. Holy Sea. Oh, it disappeared. Yeah, never mind. So yeah, you can bank flee. If you flee, then it's flees. And now you can summon a plushie again. Yeah, that way you can also heal, but we're not talking about that. You're not gonna cheat like that, right? Why can I not control it? You fled. Well, that was your plushie. Why can I not? No way means this thing here. Oh, wait. Oh, that's what I want. That's what I meant to do. Jump. You need velocity for jump. So if you want to jump, you can do jump. So X is 1, for example, Y is -5, for example, and I'm just gonna jump up and slightly to the right. 5 is the max velocity, by the way. But 5 is not same as 5 over square root of 2, 5 over square root of 2. If you understand what I mean. Yeah, you can jump, you can punch, you can level up. You know, you can do a lot of things. There's also plushie ball, which is kind of cool. I'm just gonna toss my plushie in there. I actually don't know what's gonna happen. I haven't played this in such a long time. It's a redeem. Almost got it. Wow. Get there. Hyperland. Oh. Turn complete. Almost there. But like ideally with 2 players you need a tournament mode, which has 2 buckets on either side. Oh, okay, sorry. This time it was my fault. I can help you score it. Oh, it really doesn't want to go there. I mean, to be fair, oops, that's now your plushie. You can control it. Because it swaps the plushie over, but you still have control over it. But this time, this plushie is not in your team anymore. It's temporary, I think. So it only carries over the person who controls it. So like, yeah, you still have Orange Pie in your team. So plushie ball is just not really connected and not really meant for the team system. Yeah, you have level 2, you need to level up. In order to level up, you punch other plushes. 3 of attack. Yeah, 1 of defense. As you can see, my plushie Infinite is much stronger, but like, it's level 25 to be fair. Devninia, sorry. Devninia is sleeping. Oh, C-. Let me just finish that. Yeah, you can get as many plushes as you want on your team. I just don't have many because... yeah. You just need to catch them. Oh, I scored 22. So yeah, let me just get rid of... actually, I can't get rid of one. So yeah, you can... So if there is a plushie on screen, I'm gonna summon a few random ones. And there is a list of commands. Just type help. It literally says you can type help in chat and it's gonna... Oh. And it doesn't work. Hold on. Kani! Why does it not work? Kani! Blame Kani. Kani is the developer of the library I use. Never mind. You can do... Okay, so anyway. Oh, my message failed to send. Oh, hey, here we go. Help does work. So here are all of the commands, except those are not nearly all of the commands, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so... I just explained how you can catch a plushie. If there are many plushes on the screen, which are not owned... GitLab disappeared already. They all disappeared. So if there is a plushie on the screen, which is not owned by a person, so like Devninia's plushie, it's still here because it's owned by Devninia, and it's under control of Devninia, so you can't catch it, but you can catch WebAssembly, for example, or whatever this is. Using the same technique I showed you. So you punch it to death, and then you catch it. And you try to catch it. I don't know how I did this trick shot. I'm gonna keep Devninia safe. Jump punch, what? Nah, so if you look at your team output, team member Orange Pie learned moves punch. Punch is the only move you have learned. Rust is not in your team. Or wait, is it supposed to say on your team? Yeah, actually it might. Oh wow, what's the chance of getting two of those in a row? You can't because this plushies exist. So you need to ask wait. You need to ask other people to help you summon plushies if you want to catch them specifically. So here's Rust if you want. You can't catch it because it's strong, it's full. As I said, in order to catch a plushie, you damage it first. And when it's like a Pokemon. Exactly, there's... It's not push, it's punch. There is... you can also use attack, if I remember correctly, just as an LS for punch. So it's like in Pokemon. Pokeball doesn't always catch a plushie. Wait, Pokeball doesn't always catch a Pokemon. The less health a Pokemon has, the more chance there is. Okay, go quick, it's Rust gonna disappear soon. Punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it. You need to level up. Rust disappeared. Here you go. I can summon it again. Punch Rust I. Punch Rust I doesn't work because it searches for plushie name. You can do punch and attack. Yeah, you can switch between punch and attack. So those both work. Yeah, I remember the 30-second cooldown. VIPs don't have that, and mods don't have that. I know that. I wish I could disable it actually. Post chat, scroll only. Chill mode. No, sub only chat. Who used day? Hi, thank you for the follow. Slow mode, yeah, slow mode is probably not gonna help me. Combos, I can start sharing chat. With whom? That would be kind of fun. Combos, tasks. Yeah. Rust disappeared. Oh, you were too slow. Okay, last chance you have. I'm also gonna fight back. Cause why not? Just spam the commands. You can also use heat extension, by the way. If you have heat extension installed, you just click on the plushie and it's gonna... Hey! It just flat. See, if you have heat extension installed, you can just click on the plushie and it's gonna punch automatically, or you can click anywhere on the screen and it's gonna fly to this point approximately. So like I can do this, you can do something similar. I don't think I can click though to punch. Раз, go away. Ты мне не... Ты мне не... Oh. Okay. Wait, here. Here we go. Do you have extensions enabled? I might need a second container. Wait, which this? Now I kind of need a. I should probably steal a gift from Kanye. He has a great gift about the Twitch extension. So if I open my stream from my second account from Chatri, because yeah, you know, I can't really do much. Oh, also he disappears. I can't really do much from my main. So it's unpaused. Make sure it's unpaused. There is this heat extension button. If you have extensions enabled, and you have extensions enabled, you have, if you haven't disabled them, you know. Also, this is probably behind my. No, it's not. So you click on heat, and then there is manage access. Then there's gonna be grant for you. You need to grant permissions so that I know that it's you clicking and not any other person. It basically grants heat and access to your user ID so that it can send this user ID to me so that I know the user who clicked. And yeah, and then you can just click on the screen. If I, for example, hold on. If I, for example, do a plushie on here, so plushie is gonna appear. Ideally I have to wait for the delay, but like yeah, I'm just gonna estimate here. Oh, it doesn't work. Hold on, did heat break? Oh, heat might have broken because sometimes that happens. Yeah, I see, it doesn't work. Let me restart the overlay. Whoa. Hold on. Almost just started second instance of OBS. No, I don't want to exit. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, also this offset. So this goes here. Also this. Something's off there. Oh, because I'm in full screen something mode. Caesar mode. Alt T. Okay, so here you go. It should work now. Hit API. Bring chat back, huh? No. If I do plushie. No, sadly it doesn't need plushie. It's not there anymore. Now if I do plushie, it's there, GIMP. Now if I click, oh, here we go. So if I have a random plushie here, let's wait for it to pop up. Or actually, I'm gonna estimate that it's approximately here. because the delay is crazy, as you can see. Or you can, oh, here it is. Well, here it is. You can just click it and it's gonna punch. You can click again, it's gonna punch. Now it moved here, so I'm gonna click again here, it's gonna punch. So you can punch fluency this way. You can control your plushes this way. Latency is a problem, but like, yeah. What can I do? Wow. Fluency disappeared, game disappeared. Okay, here you can have... oh! Randomly rust. Okay, you have 30 seconds to catch it. You need to punch them. Oh wow, you're surprisingly good at this. And it doesn't have cooldowns as well. But yeah, you need to know where the plushie is. And not just click on the screen randomly. Because you need to click on the plushie specifically. Yeah, something like that. Good luck on your Rust journey. You can only catch with bank catch though. So once it's low enough, you should send a few catch messages. This is not low enough. Low enough is like, well, this is closer. Probably one more punch and it's gonna be low enough. However, don't overdo it, because you can just destroy it. You can just defeat it. And it also disappears. Here you go. Here you can have Zig. You can try catching Zig. Yeah, this is actually harder than I thought. Maybe I should increase catch rates. Cooldown. Oh, you have cooldown for catch. Oh my god, you have cooldown for catch. Well, just send a random message like a dot and then you can send catch. Oh, you're surprisingly good at like clicking it. Even though there's like a border at the bottom of Twitch, if I remember correctly. It's fine. Twitch's cooldowns, I really wish I could disable this specific cooldown, because fine, just spam in my chat, I don't care. In my chat. Zig disappeared. Oh no. You can have Cinema 4D. You can try that. Should probably make the plushes be there for longer, because they disappear quickly. Let me change that. Plushie instance. Oh my god, I'm working in such a small window. If only you knew. Oh, your plushie is struggling. You hit something too hard. Get ready. It disappeared. Hold on. I'm gonna change it so that it's gonna stay for longer. Oh wait, it's on screen. On plushie and plushie. Huh. Lifetime. Oh wait, there's lifetime remaining. 60. Okay, hold on. You're gonna catch it yourself. I'm gonna change it to 180. Maybe 180 is too much, actually. Yeah, you know what? Fine, 180. Okay, we're gonna try with 120 seconds. 2 minutes. Now, now it should. No, it should not disappear after. It should disappear. It should disappear only after 2 minutes this time. So it should be longer. I'm also gonna. I can't really set the timer. Okay, hopefully you're gonna get it. I think you didn't punch it and you just instead flew into it. Maybe I should make it that it always punches. Except some plushes shouldn't be able to punch. It's just inside now. Yeah, punch commands are easier. It's stuck. Well, it's definitely longer at least. Just click on Rust. Try to click on Rust. Cause it's gonna eat away part of you. Oh, here you go. Well, you at least you ate away part of it. Come on, punch it more. Just get it into the corner and click this corner repeatedly. I don't think there is cooldown on hit punches. Oh, welcome back, Nidal. He just does not. Ow! Why does it feel like you're trying to punch, but you're not actually punching? Okay, yeah, I do need to fix that. Should make that simpler. It's the other way around. I know. You first specify the person who receives a gift, and second you specify the plushie. That disappeared. Yeah, Mizzy tried hard. Mizzy tried hard to catch Rust. Very hard. Here you go, nice. Now this Rust is also pretty leveled up, you know. Not as leveled up as Lua, but pretty high level. It's level 16 or something. Level 9. Well, that's pretty good. That doesn't want hit plushes, but you know, you can catch more plushes with that. You can easily catch plushes with Rust now. Yeah, I realize beginners. First of all, there's a redeem. Second of all, you can wait. How can here? You wanna play against me, you know? Oh wow. Hey. Okay, so now there's my plushie and competitive. Decide on the Tylis. Decide on which side you play. Just compete. Yeah, delay is annoying, but like, dude, compete. Oh wow, it lags. You're right. Okay, sure, play right side. You have 1 minute. Ow. Oh, you have 1 minute remaining though. Welcome back, Penguin. Oh, wow, oi. What's happening? Excuse me. Okay, so C sharp is your plush, or is it? Okay, maybe no. Maybe C sharp is mine, since you control it. Dude, why? Everything just flies towards you. How are we tied? No, no. Okay. Tylese, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me luck. No. Actually, yes, it's gonna score me. Mod icon. Coca. For every plush I get in the left hoop, it just goes to the right one. Ah. No, D-Book, you're not gonna go there. Oh, right on stuck now. Left one. Let's go. I mean, that's not really fair because you have latency and other things. And you can't really double click on Twitch screen. But yeah. You know, you can practice some. Here's the hoop for you. And C is available, by the way, you can probably catch. Actually, no, you can. I don't think you can catch it. Actually, maybe you can. You probably can actually catch it. Not sure. It's annoying. What? Oh, that's not what I want. Oh, wait. Hi, sir. Where did I put my camera? My camera is right below the basket, the hoop. So it should be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna take this away. Leap towards cursor. And now I'm just gonna do... Well, actually, yeah, no, I'm gonna keep that way. Because you can accidentally attack your friends. Actually, oh wow. Something changed. I'm just gonna call the commit update. See, disappeared. Okay, let's bring Infinite back. Okay, so now it's been 2 hours, I haven't done anything. You won't see. You have so many plushes. You have 16 in your plushie decks. And you won't see. I mean, okay, you do want. I do see that. I love seeing as well. What can I do to prevent you from getting C easily? But like, what challenge should I suggest? Or you just wait for somebody and you ask them and you just get it. Hey! That is unfair. That is pure force. That is pure force. Against me, of all people. You know, maybe we should play a tournament. Latency doesn't beat them. That's... But like, it shouldn't be that easy. You're first place. And I can't convince people to get somebody ahead of you. And there is no way I can get a person to level up to level 40. You know, I can always... I have the forces, I can always destroy C when anyone gives you a chance at getting it. Also, cancel game still works. Oh, extend game. Wait, hold on. Extend game is single word. Oh, I should fix that at some point. Probably never. I also increased wild plushie lifetime up to 2 minutes. Yeah, let somebody else do the job. Cause I can just give C to you, it's too easy. If you had to fight for it. What if I could summon plushie that's overpowered? How do you get new Pokemon, by the way, in Pokemon when you're like leveled up and just walking through grass is boring? Walking through tall grass or like randomly encountering Pokemon is just too boring. Or are they spawning? Are the encounters become higher level as you become higher level? That's the question. Also, I should probably turn on the heater, so hold on. Oh my god. Okay, I expected a little bit different thing to happen. Okay, also C's hanging there. Okay, I'm not gonna fix that. I know why that is, because the cursor's there, but like what? Whatever. Give you woman just first time chat as well. How can you convince? Oh, you got it down. Okay, now I need to wait. Oh, C was defeated. Oh, what? Oh, you threw it into me. Let's go. Wait, I got to level 5. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I've seen them before as well, but it literally says first time chat. How can you convince somebody to join the chat? Oh, I've seen a follow, right? I'm pretty sure. How can you convince... how can you convince somebody to just type the first message in chat to be plushie C? How? Yeah, anyway. You have your business, yeah, you deserve a shot, but I am gonna make it a little harder at least. I should make it a little harder at least. To make it fair, more fair. No, 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 no. I need to have flea pre-typed. I need a shortcut that's gonna type flea and enter. It's gonna automatically switch to the right window. Okay, I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm not letting you level up to 41st. No. Actually, I'm kinda curious how much XP. No, you're not. You can't keep Lua out there. You can't keep Lua out on the screen at all times and catch C. Cause that's gonna be impossible. Next to impossible. You just need to be really lucky to either catch it without damaging it or just not kill it on your first hit. Force that is scary. How can you be stronger than me in this? Just a guard. Just a guard. Lua just guarding the screen. That was funny. How it just burned through. This was actually kinda cool. That's why I said it's not gonna be possible. It's not gonna be possible. I kinda wanna summon C with like stats. I want to summon plushes with stats. You know, I want this so bad, I might as well code it. Why are you adding forces? Why are you adding force? Why? This is concerning. It's not gonna help you. Or are you scrolling accidentally or something? No, you're not gonna... No, you're not gonna just randomly catch it. No. No, wait, no, what did I do? I need to save the day. Wait, no, that's wrong! No! No! You could catch it. It took you so much time to realize that I have left it damaged for so long. Yeah, I mean, you do deserve it, to be fair. You did a lot for it. So yeah. Fair game. So I wanted to actually add world. No, it's 3. Too powerful. Okay, I need to I need some admin tools, you know. Okay, instance plushy okay, I need to test something. Plushy C1 2. It's gonna summon C, that is gonna summon C. Oh, add starts in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so if args 1 do your worst. Hey, Nigel. Oh my god, I'm using tabs for indentation. Anyway. So, 0 is this, 1 is this. So I need to check if I'm a moderator. Okay, actually, if from username is equal to infinite order 1, because I'm not gonna let Nigel have this power. Sorry. So I'm gonna do instance dot instance. That is that, right? It's that, right? Instance dot and or actually I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move this here so that I don't accidentally buff my plushes. Okay, config create. Okay. I know you can't see what I'm coding right now. I should actually. What is its theme? Add way to dark. Wait, no way. Way to dark. Okay, real quick. Lush GD. So there is DXP stats dot attack defense. Stats dot attack. Defense. String int. Dot to int or to float. To int. So that should. Yeah, that is. I really didn't see that. Let me restart. And let's see if it works. So it restarted. So this in theory should be an OP plushie. And to test it, yeah, it's actually I thought it would destroy everything, but oh, that might be that. Anyway, but it's not mine. It's not mine. So why I need that tool? Not to just kill you. Whenever I wish. Although that too. Oh, that break. I guess you're not gonna know. But to give you an ability to catch stronger plushes or fight stronger plushes, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, I know. Now, jump label. Actually, back to compiler development, because that's an overlay stream now. Oh wow, how did that happen? I kind of wish I could do a chatry stream, just overlay, just playing games in my overlay, or like fighting, plushie ball, etc. Free ad. Let's go. You should have used segfault. You should have done free ad. Wait, hold on, you can't do that. That's what segfault. You should have wrote it like that, in my opinion. Yeah, remember Weewoo? Weewoo's not there anymore. Program exited is non-zero status code. Yeah. So Nigel, want C? So you want C? Well, you don't want C anymore, sadly. But now I would have done that. But now I can level up myself as well at least. Yeah, you already got C. Team C. Level 2? 1 attack, 3 defense. Yeah, that's... Nah. That's weak. Now we wanna fight. Nah, don't show that to me. Now you wanna fight? No, this does not deal much damage, does it? Oh, that's a... Regex is weak. Damn. It's like structurally weak. Because it doesn't have much... Dude, you haven't punched me once! Like, I didn't... Okay, I'm not gonna touch the keyboard. Well, I am gonna touch the keyboard, but I'm not gonna punch you. Because I do kinda need to program. A little bit. Let's fight it again. The break ended. Your community is there. But this time I'm not gonna punch you. Oh, that's actually still a lot. Name. Raid C. You don't have a raid! You don't have a raid because Regex doesn't have a raid. Regex is not a streamer. I do have a raid. I can't do because I don't have the thing available. Okay, getting ready for the swap to Lua. I don't think you have a single plushie that has raid. Can I get Q, man? Okay, now I can give you Q, man. Let's do 10 and 60 or 100. Not interesting. No, not interested. Why are you not interested? Let's do that. 1050. It's not that bad. No, it's not that bad. It's just 1050. I am gonna find. Okay, I'm fleeing. I am gonna punch back though. Ow, humans! Whoa, that was so clean. Even hit his hand. Who's that? Okay, I'm gonna punch back. Oh, I can't punch because he was stuck. They're stuck. Hold on, I need to rule it out. Here we go. Why are you not dealing no damage? Huh? No way 50 is stronger than 100 that I had before. Or is Regex actually that strong? Okamel is level 3, Regex, where's Regex? Wait, that was a wild Regex! Am I insane? No way wild Regex dealt that much damage to a plushie. Okay, Kiwiman, why is Kiwiman so strong all of a sudden? Hold on. It's not supposed to be that strong. It's supposed to be catchable at least. Okay, punch him a few more times. Just punch him. I'm holding. Oh. Too late. Okay, I'm gonna give him one more chance. But like, it's not supposed to be that strong. It's supposed to be killable. Alright. No, you're not. No, you're not. Wait, I have raid, right? No, I don't. No, I do! This is the one raider! One raider! Out of 5 commands! uh, it's like, oh, it's so bad. This is what? This is attack 10. No way it's... No way it's that bad. This is like level what? This is like level 15. I don't get it. Why Kiwi is so OP in attack, gets so weak on defense? Well, actually, wait. Oh, other way around. Oh wait, I can't trade because. Okay, I need to flee. Punch, 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 punch. Oh, you fled. Ah. I need to do rebalancing. I need to make raid more OP. No, you. Okay, you fled. I'm allowed to flee as well. And regenerate then. Raid punch, Lua, Flashy, Kiwi Man, here. Oh, it lagged. Oh no, we have 2 Kiwi Man. Oh no, we have 2 Kiwi Man. I'm gonna get rid of the. Oh. That's. Oh my god, what's happening? Why did it jump up? Hi, Nerdson. I'm gonna happily play Close to Light, although I do wanna see what's happening there. And do wanna finish this Kiwi Man. Okay, Kiwi Man received 10 XP. Okay, Nigel, you can catch it. Oh my god, it left a permanent mark on my screen. Okay, let me get my web browser ready. What is that? Wait, this. Oh, that's HA, right. Kiwi Woman sent 1 message per like 5 minutes per your request. It's not confusing. Anyway, stop music. Nigel, you're a good mod, right? A good mod. Initializing evil or whatever. A good mod would change the category. Yeah. Also, hold on. I need to bring you to chat to the screen just in case. Okay, which one should we? I don't know if I can do rest hard. It's Tyrell. It's Kiwiman Saltak. Okay, nobody knows. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best. As you can see, I'm not doing well. Wait. I don't remember this layout, to be honest. I don't remember this level, I don't think I played it. Actually, maybe I have. No, I don't think I played it. I don't think I played it much, at least. I don't think I have practiced much. Ow. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, guys, I'm dead. No, 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 please. Am I leaving? Not. Okay, I think I'm dead. Oh, that was so close. Okay, I leave. I'm not reading chat. Oh, we flipped. It became dark. For some reason it was actually easier there. Well, it might be just because those parts are easier. You mean, I mean, just easier. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Wait, did I complete the hard one? No way I completed the hard one. I completed, let's go! This is my first hard one, I think. That I completed, let's go! I'm second! Hi Penguin, welcome back. Alt account, no, we played CTL today. Cuban Poogers. Cuban disappeared. Hi nerds, so... if at this level normal with 70% something fell into dark on the terraform level. On easy. I've beaten... I wanna get 100% on like blue bars. No way I'm doing insane though. That's why rest is the easiest level. But like, yeah. That's my first hard at least. Okay, so what are we gonna play? Let's start with Pixel Perfect Poke actually. An easy one. Okay, so I don't like this up and down thingy. Also, it's much easier for me to focus on the blue circle. So I would love to move blue circles closer than one beat in time. Yeah, I'm not great at it. Actually, is there anything? Oh, yeah. Okay, I should not be following the same one. I'm so bad at it. Honestly. Is there additional points for hitting easy? For like rhythm? Actually, this might be... Okay, no, it's not easier. Wait. What is there? I know this feels easier to me. Going left, right. Ah. Now the blue really messes with me there. He's mad for making this. Music delay is for another thing, and I have tried it last time and I have left it lower. I have left it at 10. Maybe I should put it... maybe I should put it at even lower. What if I put it at 0? I know, maybe the score... What do you mean you don't know when you're the developer? Okay, hold on. You need to disable heater now. Here. Oops. You don't know what the max score for the levels are. Well, it's just your scores, right? Where's Kiwiman on the leaderboards, by the way? Ah, that's not what I wanted to do. How do you exit? Oh, escape, but escapes. Oh, Ricky's here. That might be true. Where's Kiwiman? I wanna see Kiwiman beating me. Well, actually, no, I wanna see me beating Kiwiman, but like... no, that's not gonna happen. I love Far From Dark. Okay, let's do this one. I'm gonna try my best. Why are there 2 lights starting? Oh wow, oh whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I need practice. This is insane. I'm not getting close. Wow. Surprised I passed that part, but like... that is a difficult level. I mean, I went from Pixel Perfect Polka easy to go to Terraform it hard. But still, that is a difficult level. Okay, maybe... I don't really know. I'm gonna try 5. I wish I could calibrate it. But I feel like for 0 I played as good as for 10. Okay, now I'm ready at least for the whatever's happening. A little bit. I got lower. Last try. I really need to learn this level. Yeah, nah. I need to practice like the middle one before I can get there. Anyway, how about Far From Dark hard? That's gonna be hard, I know. I love this song. It sometimes plays in my head. Wow, my vision blurred. Oh. This is messing with me. That part. I remember all my practice attempts. Although this changed, I think this changed a little bit. I think I'm doing great. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You said it's close to the drop. Where is the drop? I need it! After the drop slide because the Yeah, you didn't even pass easy on that. That was the drop. Okay, sure. I want another one. I think I did better than normally. I'm debating on whether to go do that or do a normal one and then a hard one again. I don't know. How much is the layout from normal similar to hard? I think it's not very similar, so there's not much point in doing that. How many practice attempts? I just remember them. Also, do you have easing functions on movements? Is it slowing down or is it linear motion? Because I feel like... Am I just speeding up randomly? Oh, Haiku. You could not imagine what happened before, just like a couple minutes ago. Yeah, Q7. Okay, man was defeated. Oh, you replied to that message. Oh, yeah. Okay, now you do know what happened there. Well, you don't really, but like... Completely not same at all. It's all on smooth step. Actually, you were just experimenting with when making this, but it ended up being a full level, huh? Hi, Kiwi. Ask you for your presence on the leaderboards. Yeah, maybe you shouldn't. Just let me be second for a couple months, and then maybe you can claim the leaderboards. Yeah, I'm gonna do another one. No, maybe I should lower my sensitivity and then move my hand more. I don't know. I play on high sensitivity most of the time in most games. By most games I mean Minecraft and close to light. But yeah, that's just what I'm used to. I'm used to high sensitivity. I am, because my hand is glued to the table basically. Like, the bottom part of my palm is just always touching it, and mostly the top one moves. Actually, I feel like I'm practicing. I'm getting better at it. Oh, that part I didn't practice. We go work on cast. Go ahead. Don't take the leaderboard. Let me be second. Only the creator of the game has beaten me on this level, you know? That's such a cool thing to say about a recent game. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try. Are settings not accessible from the screen? Is there sensitivity? Oh, there is no sensitivity. Screenshot. Alright. I need to crop it such that nobody sees that there's nobody else there. Save. Although I do not like the F. I could do normal. But normal I'm certain pretty sure. No, oh, this one. This one is perfect. And the B. Yeah. Wait, where's my cursor? Okay, so you know, I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna try for fun decreasing my sensitivity. Pointer Excel. Oh, I have decreased sensitivity, don't I? 0.6. It doesn't matter. Well, you're the creator of the game. Nobody looks at the numbers. Oh wow, this lags. Oh wow, why is it so laggy? All of a sudden. TV Live. Yay! We got somebody to trade at some point. So yeah, look, B and S. Obviously the creator is gonna have an S, right? I'm having a B, which is great. Isn't that how it works? And I'm second, which means, yeah, just great. Oh, this pointer. I feel like I have pointer Excel now. I feel like it's laggy, laggier. I don't know. Oh, that's so difficult. Oh, why is it so laggy? Oh, I'm not gonna be reaching them. I am still too weak though. Ow, ow. Yeah, I'm not gonna. It's too slow. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to play with that. Actually, I could try the faster one, even. Oh, I just realized that the bar appeared. That's not what I wanted to do. Come back. And the default scene is still just black and white. I also like the sound effects. Okay, so this is a bit faster. Although not for speed, but precision. Oh yeah. I just need to get used to the matrix. Yeah, maybe you should change the interpolation to linear. While it doesn't look as nice, it would be easier for people to follow. Barely see it. We're leaving? Wow, wait. Might change it to almost linear. Linear. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna bring back my accelerations here. No, wait for the lag. Give me the settings. So when I outline width, no, it is size. Maybe I should increase the size a bit, so they can see the cursor better. Oh, that's huge. Wrong color, huh? Yeah, something's wrong. There's like, I think something's wrong. I feel like when you increase size, you should increase the outline. Why is the outline inside of the cursor? No, actually, should they not have an outline at all? Like, what's the point of it? Oh, I went to the red light in the level. But still, like, why is the outline... So if I enable the outline, why is it smaller than the cursor itself? When I increase... I mean, sure, I increase the size, but like, the outline should also increase. Anyway. I went in the red. Oh yeah, I did. Because that's what I'm used to. I thought it's gonna be on the left. Oh wow. Why is my pointer suddenly so slow? I had it at 0.4, right? Negative 0.4. Why does Sway have negative pointer offsets? No, I went to the wrong color again. Green is live, by the way. Why did I? Oh, why does Sway have negative pointer offsets? And have them like as normal speed but just lower? Is it the power? Well, it might be the power actually. I'm addicted now. I need to remember to go to bottom right on that. Maybe then I have a chance. No, soon. Right, bottom right. Okay, I leave. I don't know where to go. Yeah. I feel like having a bigger cursor kind of helps. Also, I'm not gonna have an outline from that point on. Also, maybe I get to the perfect highlight. What is the second drop? Like, what? Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Doesn't seem to get easier with drops. This way. I need to remember. Oh, what's happening? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This level, it's represented by a difficulty spike. Oh, a drop in music when it suddenly goes hard. Okay. Yeah, I think I know what it means. Anyway, too addicted to that. Also, is the outline? Wait, no. Yeah, I'm imagining because it kind of looks weird here. I thought the text was drawn in front of the outline, but the cursor is in front of the text. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for today. Yeah, what have I done? Nothing. Then overlay stuff and then close to light. Yeah, that's productive. That's what we call productive. I've been playing it for 30 minutes. Wow. Also, I got advice to play Factorio, which I don't know. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna. Yeah, I was distracted anyway. Kiviman was defeated, you know. Kiviman just happened to have been defeated at that point. Yeah, Nigel, you didn't catch Kiviman. I gave you a chance, but you didn't. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna start Factorio. No, I'm not following Kiviman's route. No, that's not happening. I'm not making Infiniboy channel and just streaming there. You stopped using Rust. That's not for long, Nigel. You're just being fooled by those other languages. You're gonna miss Rust and you're gonna come back and you're gonna write all the software to the rest of, for the rest of your life. There. Anyway. Anyway. So yeah, control flow is a pain because it's represented by whatever. Yeah, you can just switch to cast right away. That's just how it works. Didn't you come back to C with a new appreciation for it right now? Because C is a nice language. I'm starting to appreciate it more and more. Except that I do still hate some parts of it. But like, yeah, I'm not gonna talk about that. You're taking Rust for granted. We all do sometimes. Okay, so in order to actually have some kind of branching, we have switch int. Is switch int the only switch terminator? Discriminant, operand, and target. Copy move constant. Targets are values, targets, small vec of this to, what? Small vec a array. Okay, so it's one element of possible values. For each values, location to branch is found in the corresponding element targets. But those are not resizable. Anyway. Whatever. Discord targets. Discord. Also music. Like, I'm not gonna stream for much longer. Oh, music is quiet now. Oh, also, I should change the category back. I'm changing the category back for the only reason that so that I don't forget it about it. Because I started with close to light category today, accidentally. Forgot to change it. Okay, so we go through each four we all do sometimes. Targets dot Actually, this has an iterator. Targets values. Is there a fallback function? There's no fallback function. Oh, that's sad. Otherwise, oh wait, there is otherwise. There's a fallback. Guess I'm gonna put the brackets around. Self-code jump till label targets fallback index. Let me enumerate. So I know what this is gonna iterate through. Value target. So I'm just gonna need an int. Oh, I need comparisons. Wait, I need so much stuff. Oh my god. I need conditions. I need comparisons. Oh wow. Yeah, I know. I don't like writing code. Actually, let me think. There are inner loops. I can intersect them. This is a loop. How can you convert an arbitrary control flow graph to something more less arbitrary? Oh, I paused. That's what it's called. Okay, so I can convert control flow graph to something. So if we start with so I can do loops that branch to a lot of things. Which eventually converge. Oh, you know, I'm gonna keep that. So what I don't like about CodeGen is all the operator stuff. I don't really like it. Hold on, global symbol. A place should be global. It should be like that. Wait. Symbol. So operand is either a place or constant. I'm gonna reorganize it a little bit like that. Next we have labels. C body origin label. Okay. Yeah, otherwise gen code gen, because we have some stuff to fix here. Okay, so place variable deref field. Okay. Oh, place type. No, I need global type. Okay, so yeah, to do that, no. I will do that. No, I need to still. I do need to. I do still need to fix that. OC place global symbol. Just gonna do create escape symbol. Zero size this place global. Zero sized ADT. Yeah. Hide no further. So there's so what weird ones are there? FNDEF is weird. So we have boolchar in float unit. ADT is the type, but ADT is just unit. Foreign type is the type. But it's also unit gonna be string array pattern. Any type and restricts its valid values to its pattern. That is actually interesting, but that's not related here. Slice, raw pointer, reference, none of them can be units. Function, we had function. Now function pointers are different. Unsafe by what? A higher rank type used. What does a higher rank type mean? Actually, I'm not sure. Used to represent a type which had some of its lifetimes erased. self-referential types, I don't know. But that's type is some type info erased. Something higher ranked. Iterate object. That can be unit, can it? Hopefully that can't be a unit. Hopefully that can't be a unit. But if it can, it's just a unit struct then. Actually no, it should be a pointer. Anonymous type of a closure. Yeah, closure could be closures and coroutines could be the ones. Coroutine. So there's closure, coroutine closure, which is a string closure, and coroutine, which is a closure with coroutines. Rust is messed up. Coroutine witness. Never type. Hopefully I'm never gonna have to instantiate it. Tuple. Actually, tuple could happen. An alias. Oh, hopefully not an alias. A projection, opaque type, free type alias, or inherent associated type. Oh, that's scary. Param bound. Syntax is so syntax is locked. I don't know what the current status is, but back when I started, it's not has the so futures and async await syntax was meant to be coroutines, but then it became so complex that they decided to make it a separate thing and then bring coroutines back. So they reserved yield keyword, and I don't know what the status is currently. But yeah, Rust was meant to have iterators as coroutines now. You can have a feature in Serum. Yeah, you can do feature gate. I think it works with the feature gate. So if you do a feature gate, you can do coroutine stuff. You can yield. Wait, that's... I mean, that's basically sync await, but at the same time, that's... How is this different from my sync await? It's almost not different. Almost not different. So yeah, a coroutine is... coroutines are... exist, and they're basically delimited continuation. Tell Kiwi that Rust has delimited continuation. And now you just need to add a feature gate. Just scroll through. Bound, placeholder, and for okay, I'm not gonna worry about that. So, oh, it starts now. That was gonna be ending soon. So yeah, this should still compile. No, this doesn't compile anymore. To do it, line 35. Here. Please don't be... wait. What? That's not the one. Oh, it's just C code gen mode. Line 35. Oh, right, erase. Erase. That seems to work fine. Now if else, that should actually compile. That does. Just ignoring those. Okay, so we have two operands. Hi Daniel, welcome back. Did you sleep? Did you even sleep? Okay, I'm gonna snooze an ad and I'm gonna... you didn't, so why? Anyway. Let's check something. Oh yeah, I don't like... You don't... You should sleep. Okay, to put you to sleep, I'm just gonna raid somebody, right? Hold on though. So yeah, I don't really like the variable system. I wish we had temporary variables easier. At the same time, we do. We can just declare var and assign to it. As much as you want. That's your temporaries. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be ending there. You know, sometimes YouTube chat is very active, more active than Twitch chat in fact. Anyway, Nigel, are you there? I need mod powers. I mean, I do have mod powers, but then I don't know. You don't have. No, it happens! Yeah, I think we're ready for a raid. You 15 minutes, 3 hours. I have spent 3 hours doing nothing. Oh, you think it's mod view that that does UI glitch? By the way, that's not 2/3 Twitch. This is not 2/3. It tries to show me that it's almost halfway. I don't think this is 2/3 at least. So this is 1/2. Yeah, it's definitely not 2/3. Oh wait, 2/5. I'm insane. Yeah. Anyway. Here or here, in fact. Up to you. Obviously. Go ahead. I can't make a long ending, come on. There are more chatters than there are viewers. Anyway. Thank you all for joining. I'll see you next time. Let's go. Goodbye. Copy this. Bye.